everybody to the 15th edition of the IEA Heat Pump Conference.
The heat pump is really a technology scalable in capacity and bringing solutions on every scale. So it's about really the transformation and also the speed, how this technology can be really deployed. At the conference here, I think there are two aspects. The first is really to bring together the different stakeholder groups. So that means researchers, to industry, to policymakers. And the second is we can really learn and see what other regions or other research groups or other industry sectors are doing.
It is absolutely urgent to bring these technologies out there. Bringing people together from different sectors is absolutely crucial because we need to be fast. It is an interdisciplinary challenge and we need to involve people from the different sectors like the end users, the technology suppliers, also from the political side, from finance. Many different players have to work together to make this happen at the speed which is required.
I wish this kind of events could be every day, everywhere. There are people throughout the world, over 800 attendees. So you get to see what's happening in every corner of the world and how you can then support each other.
普段関わらない人とたくさんコミュニケーションであったり議論を重ねることができて新しいアイデアっていうのを持ち帰って日本でも開発の方を進めていきたいなと思います。
Welcome everybody to our Jettinger Award ceremony.
To many of you in the room that have made this possible. Thanks a lot.
So honoured to be here. It's been amazing. Thank you.
I had the possibility to talk with some colleagues from Japan, South Korea and even the US to discuss the advances in the technology, the different perspectives. Only together we can change and improve the existing technology.
These conferences are very important because you get feedback from other researchers. Getting the feedback is very important to just see what can be done and what could be done.
The technology, it's here, it's proven, it works, but we need to continue to learn more, to innovate, to find new solutions, and that's why I think it's important to have this exchange of information.
I have no doubt that heat pumps are the technology and solutions for the future.
I believe we're actually working on the technologies to make the world a better place.